Hello, I'm Ranim. I come from Lebanon. I'm 24 years old and I'm in my last year in fashion, my fourth year, studying fashion design in LCI. So it's really hard to imagine myself not being a student anymore and um, be like an employee in a brand and like follow in the end, like in LCI we follow our own design, our own creativity, but now we have to work for someone else, and I feel it like this is gonna be my hardest part. But I'm gonna learn a lot of experience. I don't know how easy it's gonna be to find a job. Like, I know it's not the easiest to find like the job that you want as a designer or a pattern maker or a sewer. Like, you have to settle for maybe sales at first to fill up the portfolio. So yeah, the challenges is gonna be like, first, as I said, like working for someone else. In the end, I'm not working my own designs, my own taste. I have to work, depends on the other. I have to be more responsible. I have to accept like bad feedbacks. I have to settle for whatever judgments I receive. So yeah. I do not imagine myself in any indie tech company. I do imagine myself working with small designers and helping them more, like building up their marketing space and develop their brand. Something that really helped me is I work a lot on my social media, so I got in contact with some artists, and my first plan and first strategy is to contact them, either to rent out my collection, to style them, just to make a lot of good contacts. That's my first plan. I saw in the fashion world, for beginners, students like us who just graduated, they're not really willing to pay us much. So it's low demand, except if you want to go like internship just as an experience for free, which I think this is going to be like also one of the challenges. And yeah, the things that they are looking from us, maybe just like small tasks, because like we are new, we're still young, so it's gonna be harder to make them feel that we can be trusted in bigger work. I think before I start my own business, I really need a lot of experience, but of course, my main goal is to have my own brand. I think we learned a lot of about sustainability. So of course, sustainability, giving value for the employees, no matter what their position is. And something I realized from my experience is like, sometimes when you are new to the company, like you enter as a for the marketing team, and then suddenly they put you, give you like more jobs of delivering things, picking up things. So I think like the main characteristic that a company should have is like stick. Like, if I'm here for the marketing team, I'm here for the marketing team, not like to do extra things. It's really important because I'm a lazy person. I do not really like to take a lot of transportations and go far. So for me, I'm a city girl, so I would really like to have a job in the city close to my place. I really work very well under pressure. So things that have deadlines, if like maybe building up a collection or having like timelines for runway and things like this, I think I work best under pressure. And so fast projects, instead of like one project through the whole season. I would like to have like many projects in a season. Conditions, I think like a nice space to be in when I'm working. Like not too cold in winter, not too hot in summer, somewhere where I can be comfortable with. And working hours, I saw a lot of my friends challenging the extra hours that they have to stay without getting paid. And yeah, mainly these two things. I wouldn't mind if it's a private space or a public space. I would just like would love to have a soft and warm environment with like a place to chill, like a sofa, a little cafeteria that we can like take our breaks in. Doesn't matter if it's a small or a big or public or private, as long as like the decoration and the interior design is like comforting enough. Very, very challenging because nowadays there's a lot of emerging designers, a lot of competitions. So my expectations are high just because I feel like I'm confident enough to make a lot of contacts that can also help me grow my brand. I would like my leaderships to be communicative, trusting, and friendly, but also like pushy, because I work better when someone is pushing me and making me feel like I have support. The characteristic that a company can make me proud to be working with them is transparency, sustainability, and creative, innovative, and maybe my ideal one is working with technology.